Hey guys, welcome back to ProjectTube. Today I have something a little bit different. As always, I feel like I say that every video, but today we are going to be starting something I like to call Project B, as in bees. I used to brew a lot of mead and it's something I want to get back into doing, and honey is expensive and I always thought it would be cool to have my own hives and get my own honey for the mead that I brew. So finally, I pulled the trigger. Our first journey into beekeeping with this package of bees we're going to be installing today. Should be a short video, but stick around. And here's the hive I picked up on Amazon. Nothing too fancy. I also got a top feeder and built some more boxes with some plywood I have. I've already removed a couple frames for the bee package to go in, so now it's just a matter of dumping them in. We're going to rubber band the queen to one of these frames so that she can get out later. This is the queen. All right. We'll have to either manually release the queen later, or I'll need to get a candy plug because I don't see a candy plug in here. And now the time to put the bees in. I got some marshmallows for the queen cell, or the queen cage, and so we'll see about if I can put that in the queen cage. This is going to be the hard part. Set that down. Get my knife here and take this cork out, and then quickly stick this marshmallow in here. There we go. Now she should be good to go. She's got all her nurse bees next to her. She's happy. We're going to point this up in case there's any. I don't see any nurse bees in there, but in case there were any nurse bees in there, in case they die, they won't block her in. So there she is in there. Pointed up. So she is good to go. Here, have another marshmallow. Go ahead and tighten these frames back up. we go. I'll go ahead and put the cover on. Beautiful. Put the top feeder back on here. And then I brought some syrup with pollen in it. Bee feed in there. So let's see if they like that. Right there. This is just a piece I made. Same size. Put this lid on. I got a big brick to put on it. And hopefully the rest of these bees go up inside the thing here and find their way home. Well, there you go. Last of the bees are finding their way inside the hive, so it's looking pretty good. I filled up the feeder up in there, and we'll check back the next few days and see if the queen has been released and that she's alive, and we'll go ahead and mark her. So if you guys are interested in following this bee journey, then make sure you hit subscribe and check back next time.